After 4 weeks of torture, we are already back here again in Galleria for the announcement of the winner. So we check out inside what's going on. It's minus 16 here. I can't wait here. Let's go. Now we are here to take an interview for both the organizers as well as with the participants. Let's check it out. Moi Hannu.
Moi moi.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Moi.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your plan if you win?
Party.
How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Do you think you can win?
Yeah, till now I think that I can win, and let's see with the result. I think all the teams were strong and we did our best, so I hope I can win.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Joy.
I'm here. Who wants to answer my questions? Who else? No, stop me.
Hi everybody! Give me some noise! So welcome to the InnoCity closing party. Now I would like to warmly welcome our singer, Markus Rafael Nylund. Welcome. InnoCity is a competition where students are competing in company assignments, and our companies now have been Kauneusstudio and Poreno.
Sitten kaikki ovat odottaneet tätä hetkeä, mutta ensin kutsumme paikalle meidän arvovaltaisen tuomariston. Millainen taso tässä kilpailussa oli yleisesti ottaen?
Loistava taso, loistavia nuoria, loistavia luovia ajatuksia, ideoita. Oli mukava olla tuomaristossa siihen asti, kunnes piti tehdä päätöksiä. Se oli vaikeaa.
First, I will announce Kauneusstudio assignments winners. And the winner for Kauneustudio's assignment is Mainio. You want to say something?
Yeah, it feels great. It feels unbelievable.
Yeah, we are happy.
And next, the winner for Porenom's team.
Voiton vei tarkistuslaskennan jälkeen yliopiston opiskelijoista koostunut voittajatiimi oli siis Into. Tiimi erottui hänen mukaansa. Hänen mukaansa sillä, että he olivat selkeästi perehtyneet Porenomin liiketoimintaan.
Kauneusstudio and Porenom would like to award one team member from the other teams for their efforts in making sure the team moves forward in the assignment. The Raptors to Elena, and also from E=MC2 to Victoria. Congratulations, girls. And the other prize goes to from Brains and Beauty to Imran. And from Core to Chitin. So big thanks to Galleria Shopping Center, all our competitors and all you guys here watching us, and also to all the cooperation partners we have, and the jury of course.
No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me.